The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla!
A 34 a year, this push. Yeah, compressor.
I hear some compressor.
Yeah, and I alternate, and I alternate.
Touch it, go on. Let me see it. Yo, I'll come on down when you see compressor. So you just use it to paint this?
Yeah, man, you can spray all of this, all of them to very good.
So I only get one tongue.
One tongue?
Like get one tongue. We make this push
Make it be here,
yeah.
And adjust it. No, because I don't want no tank with this. I have a high pressure gun. So I get the high pressure, I have a high pressure compressor now. Different, but I have a low pressure compressor.
Okay.
Yeah, just go on down there.
You're good like that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I mean, that's it.
Come on,
Wow, you see it? Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video that is out on social media, and according to some things that have been said on social media about the video that I just presented to you, it is said that the video shows a person who designed his own air compressor. You see me? Some places on social media, it is said that the person made his own air compressor. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, if you look at the video properly and if you listen to some things that have been said in the video properly, you might get a good understanding about this air compressor that had been talked about in the video that I just presented to you. You see me? Yeah. There's not much information that I got about the video that I just presented to you, so therefore I'm not going to say much about the video. But however, you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, and with that, I'm going to move on to another video. You see me? The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show something that I call a plastic buckle race. You see me? Some places on social media, it is said that the video shows a plastic buckle race. This video is going to show several persons involved in this so-called plastic bottle race. So may I say to you, and the video is going to show plastic bottles in water that is running along a roadside, and the plastic bottle is going with the flow of the water. You see me? The reason why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media, you know, and some of the comments that have been made on social media about this video gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that this video or what the video shows bring back memories. You see me? Alright, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you and then you can tell me what you think about this video. You see me? Now, because of some of the things that have been said in this video, I'm going to say this, that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
And the boss, Boko is in the lead, but I am in third with that red buckle, and red buckle is going in second, and I'm leading. It's Super Kong, red for Manchester United, Red Devils, going right down. But guess what, I'm going to...
Yes, that bad.
Come run! Come run! Second me there! Come run! Me G! Come run! Go on! Turn me there! What a boy, I need to your son! Boy, never beat me! Watch out! I lost me a cup!
Alright, viewers and subscribers, and a real do you know. I used to make a box truck and paper plane and paper boat and all them things then. You see me I said to you? Put it in a little water and run along the road and run behind it too, you know. Me I talk about the paper boat, you see it? Yeah, for real. Yeah, well, when you grow up, I guess things change and you realize certain things, you see me? Alright, but you know, it's good to be a child when you're a child, you see me I say, but some of the times to see grown persons doing things that a child would normally do. It make you laugh too, you know. Alright, yeah, but overall, I like to see persons in unity, you know. So big up and respect to those persons shown in the video. I only hope that those bottles that have been put in the garbage bin are where garbage is supposed to be put. And that is the proper place where garbage is supposed to be put when you're disposing garbage. You see me? Alright. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video has been out on social media for some time now, you see me? And somehow this video has been brought to my attention again, you see me? And I get the understanding that this video is getting a little buzz on social media again. You see me? I said to you, yeah, and that's just my opinion towards the video. But however, you know, because of the person's appearance, you see me? Many comments that have been made on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the person is a mentally ill person, you see me? Yeah. There are also other comments that have been made on social media about the video that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the person is homeless, you see me? There are also comments that have been made on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons agreed with some of the things that this person said, you see me? And there are comments on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons did not agree with some of the things that this person said, you see me? Alright, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you and you can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that this person said, you see me? You can also let me know if you think the person is a mentally ill person or not, you understand? Alright, so as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the languages used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
So, Yago, no tear out your blood clot bad. And yes sir, the hurt of God, cause all of them tree there will be your fruit when we eat. The hurt then spring out. The water when me a drink, and the hurt it a come from. So me would have said the earth is God, man. Me respect the earth. When me dep on me out, I eat hold me up. I eat make me a live. But I just because the wickedness of bumbo clot regime make some man who have 20 acres of place. And you have people who have nowhere to live. The rat have been hole, the bird have been nest, but we are the found of mankind. Some have and some don't have. See, me them match down when me live down a whole station. And if me no mine shop, I have nowhere to go. If I go up on a man page and say, come on, I go up in a one bush and say, me a build up your supper plant, so my man comes to a field. See, me up on a man page and say, come on, I page. If me go in a road, go lay down, some of them no say me fi come out. That means if something for blood clot lick me down. And me can't go up in the air go live. Me can't go in the sea go live. So we are the rascal, the poorer people fi go. The government fi know say, I know them alone have brain. Less separation for the black race. Give them land fi make them house. If them want to take light in there for them business. The government have the access. Cut up people, give root, land and give the people them. Make them can try. Make them house and live and plant some food around them.
So Pang,
No, here one now. Let me tell you this. When the prophecy them did a trad earth, you know, Almighty I did say to Job, so Job, you have money already and you have certain things. The greatest thing to give to a man is him food and him shelter. Anything else can come after. Allow me out. Give him food and him shelter me out. Anything after that can come after, sir.
Viewers and subscribers, on a real though, you see, I believe in freedom of speech, so I say to you, but you see when it comes on to speaking or saying certain things, no, I don't agree with certain things being said, you see me? Yeah. hate speech, you know, like when someone saying hateful things towards persons or a person. No, I don't support that. You see me I say? But the thing is, doing of viewers and subscribers, you see, one of the reasons why I presented this video to you is because it's being talked about on social media. You see me? Yeah, and you know, there are other reasons why I present this video to you. You know, I present this video to you so that you can take a look at it and tell me if you agree or disagree with some of the things that this person said. You can also let me know if you think the person is a mentally ill person or not. You understand? You can tell me overall what I think about the video that I presented to you. You know? Yeah. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. You know, let me know what you think about each and every one of these videos that I presented to you in this video. Alright? Yeah, and Beverly, big up yourself, yeah? Big up yourself, Beverly, and big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Belize, alright? So here's where I'm going to leave it, and until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.